can handle that. When you're foam rolling, you are not going over and over the roller. So if you're doing a video like that, okay, that's not how you foam roll, all right? It is hitting a spot where you have tension in the muscle, right? And you want to kind of roll over just that spot. So I'm going to work on that with you. I'm assuming that you're somewhat warmed up. If you're not, please do something that warms your body up just a little bit, okay? Whether it's just getting on an elliptical or walking up and down your driveway 5 times, something like that, okay? So music, nice and easy music, okay? Nothing crazy. And with the foam rolling, there is definitely some, can you take that off of there, Kev? There's definitely some getting used to the feeling of this. Hi, Sandy. Hi, Dawn. You'll do it later, okay? I'm going to take this. There's also some getting used to having your weight into your arms a little bit. So if you need to take a break from it, that's okay. So what I want you to start with right now is take your roller and, all right, and just put it right in the center of your calf, okay? So with your right knee bent, you're gonna lift up, okay? So lift up on your arms a little bit and start to just roll very, very slowly. So you see people doing this. I mean, okay, that sort of feels good. Wow. Okay, but what I want you to do is to roll slowly, like just like a ½ inch to an inch at a time until you feel a spot that's like, ooh, okay? That spot that's like, ow. Now listen, on that spot, I want you to just roll back and forth gently with weight on it, like an inch, maybe 2, okay? So breathing, and then hold on that spot and maybe turn. You're gonna kind of roll the leg. Oh my God, this is an awful foam roller. Okay. This one has like little nubbies in it, but I probably need it. Yeah, slower the better. Absolutely, Severo. Okay, so hang out on there. Now, stay there. So what you might feel if you're hanging out in that one spot, first of all, is you're probably holding your breath if it's a really tight spot, okay? So find it. Maybe that released a little bit, and then maybe find another spot, okay? Find another spot here. Now, sometimes it helps me to wheel out my toes a little bit so I'm not cramping in my foot. Now just kind of roll it until you find that spot. Ow. Okay. Now, just right up and down on that spot a little bit. Now listen, you want to breathe here, okay? Because if you're holding your breath, your muscles are going to tighten up on you, all right? Meaning, it's the same thing as like when you're trying to stretch. If you're not relaxing your face and taking a breath, there's no way that muscle's relaxing, okay? So, good. Now, another thing you can might feel here, and I haven't gotten it yet, but sometimes I feel this while I'm doing this. The muscle, if you're holding the spot on it and then rolling a little bit back and forth, you might feel the muscle do this kind of, and then like tense and then release, right? So, yeah, you might feel, good. Find it. So move again. All right. So I myself can't tell you exactly for you where to stop. Okay. What you don't want to do is be behind your knee. Okay. You don't really want to be right on the Achilles tendon, behind the ankle. And once you find a place, there's also a thing called cross friction you can do here, which is rubbing your leg side to side and then back again. Just kind of feeling it out. I think we needed longer than 15 minutes. I feel like I do. Good. Hold a spot. I'll let you find like 4 spots on this leg and hold them, and then just these small little rolls. Hi, Art and Linda. Good. Find that spot. Okay, so again, this is not like back and forth. I know that's a lot more fun. Okay, so now I want you to just slowly start to roll that whole area. The whole area. Ooh, and you're gonna find there's another spot. You're like, whoa, ow, 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 ow. Yeah, you gotta be up an inch. Otherwise, you're not gonna feel it. Okay, roll. And then I want you to just go medium speed up the whole calf. Oh my God. And then back, okay? So, whoo, ouch. This one's not very nice. Okay, so let's go to the other calf, all right? Other calf. So start right in the center, the belly of the muscle, okay? All right? I know sometimes it is hard, though, to hold yourself up in that position for so long. So if you can't, okay, well, let's go. Let's find a spot. Find one spot. Ooh, breathe. So, yeah, keep going. If that's what you're doing, if you're like, that's not good. Smile. Oh, this feels great. Back and forth on one little spot, okay? Ooh, good. Good. Oh, I find out from, PTs, massage therapists, all these things, that a lot of times where you're feeling some pain isn't actually even the problem, okay? Go back just a tiny bit. And if you're like, what is she doing? She's not even moving, okay? Listen to me. Listen. Get on that spot and just go a tiny bit back and forth on it, all right? It's not about rolling out the whole muscle at once. Good. Now you want to move your ankle around in a spot. That helps too. Again, that cross friction is nice. So just find your spots, breathe. Oh, ow. And then make that noise and then laugh at yourself, because that will help you relax the muscle. When I found a spot that I'm like, ouch, ouch, breathe. Or just hang on that spot. Get that tension right there. Good. Breathe. Good. Find another one. Find another spot. Oh, I'm going to kill your your quads with this today too. Oh, good. Find another spot. Back and forth on it. Remember, you can do that cross friction if you want to. You don't want to be right behind your knee. Yeah, the butt is off the floor. But if you have trouble holding yourself up like that, don't do it. Again, you just want little tiny movements, small, short movements over that spot, and then hold the spot. Breathe. Yes, Erin, absolutely. One side could hurt more than the other. Absolutely. Okay, good. Roll along. Long roll. Ready? And then we give those wrists a break. Long, slow roll on one side. Those calves. Ooh, ow. Nice. All right, come up. Now listen, you're going to go over to your stomach. This is, oh my God, tell you that right now. You know what? I'm going to hit my ridiculous one because I'm saying I can't do it. There's dust on it. That's how much I've used it. Okay, so you're going to be in this position where your knee is out to the side, all right? So let me see if I can show you a little better. And if you have a long roller, get to one edge of it, okay? Because your knee is going to be out to the side, and then you're going to be on your elbows, all right? So you're here now. Oh my God. Okay, ready? Whoo! Here we go. This is not fun. Find a spot. There's probably a lot of them. Find a spot. Okay. Now breathe. Stay there. Ooh. Good. Breathe. Go back and forth on it just a little bit and slowly. You can have your foot flexed, whatever feels better for you. Okay? So yeah, one side, Erin, just like one side is always stronger. I have a side that's more flexible than the other. Definitely a side that is tighter than the other. Good. And you're finding that spot. You're going just back and forth, 1 to 2 inches on it. I knew I should have made this a half an hour. And breathe. Wait, mine's about to release. I'm getting that little shake, 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 shake. Now, if you're not getting that, okay, if it feels like, oh my God, that's probably what it is, that shake, 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 and then release, and then find another spot. Now, if you're like, what are you talking about, shake, shake, shake? What it feels like is, oh my God, I can't take that pressure on that muscle spot anymore. All right? Woo, right there. Hold. So we're gonna get the quads, the calves like we did, and the quads. Next time I do one of these, I'm gonna add in a little more hamstrings. Good. Oh, find the spot. Okay, and you're rolling back and forth just a tiny bit on it. This should be not comfortable at all. So breathe. This should be like you're cursing at me worse than you are after doing 100 push-ups. Okay? I'm sorry. I hate to say that, but it's gonna hurt. This is supposed to hurt. Okay? Breathe. It's also making you stay still for a little bit, right? Yeah, I'm ready to punch you in the face. Good. Come forward again. Fine. Oh my God. And come back. Good. Find another spot. Find one more on this side. Find one more on this leg. Okay, find it. Go back and forth on it a little bit. Good. So I for years was foam rolling the incorrect way. I was going, this is good, just back and forth. I know it hurts a little on the knots, but you really have to get that pressure on that one spot, okay? And you want to kind of let it breathe through it, let it go. Again, the cross friction, if that feels good for you. And now take the length of the muscle, slowly, slowly, slowly. Ooh. Slowly. Now when you get to the top, bend your knee. Whoo-hoo-wee. What's up with that? Hold. Extend. Nice. Come up to the hands and we're switching sides. Okay? So you should feel a big difference. You're like, I bet, Severo. How far did you run, Severo, yesterday? Okay, bring it out. Other side. And this is my bad side. Okay, sorry. I'm being dramatic, but not really, because this is really my bad side. Whew. Okay, so I could probably be on this side for a lot longer, but good. Find the spot. Oh my God. Find the spot. Look at this, right? This is 15 minutes and we only hit 2 muscle groups. So it is about taking that time, right? Oh, good. You're almost there. Find one and roll back and forth on it. Little movement. Breathe. Maybe hang out on it a second. Let it get uncomfortable. Breathe. And again, a cross friction if you want to, which is side to side. Breathe. Now find another spot. Oh my God, my quads. Woo! Aaron, I know. Good. Just 8. That's good, Severo. Oh, hi, Rebecca. Good. Hold. Little movement on it. Little movement. Giving you lots of sound effects today. Ooh. What? Come on. Oh, good. Whoo, whoo. Oh my God. Hold. Breathe. Sandy. Come on. Oh, this is the spot for me right here. Relax. Come on. Again, you're finding your spots and you're just taking that little movement back and forth on it. And breathing. So I have this spot right now that is like doing that shaky thing. It's doing that little, I'm not letting you release. Good. Come on. If you need to, you can find another spot. I'm just hanging on this one for a second because I can feel that it is right about to release, but I'm going to just breathe on it. Oh, and there it goes. Good. So roll, find one more spot. Give me one more. Good. I know. And you know what's sad is that no one wants to stay still long enough to do this. Deb's like, there's 45 people on it. Oh, sorry. Whew. Dear Lord. Okay, breathe. I'm right there with you guys. Find it. Okay, ready? Nice roll over the whole length of your quads, all the way up to the top. And bend your left knee. Hold it. Good. Extend it. Give me one more roll. Okay. So again, this is quads. And, oh my God. Okay. Whew. Come on up. So we have the quads and, oh my God, the calves. So real quick, I want you to do two things here, okay? Come up to a down dog. Oh, I feel those calves that you loosened up a little bit. I want you to press one down and then the other, okay? So you're stretching out. So when you're releasing, it's called a myofascial release, and the fascia is the kind of the skin. That's the best way to explain it. Kind of the skin of your muscle. Okay. So when that gets a little bit looser, right, through doing things like this, it helps with your flexibility. So you might feel your calves stretched out a little bit more. Okay. Now let's come down to your knees. I want you to take your left foot forward. Curl your back toes, uncurl your back toes, and then press down through your back pelvis. Good. And then slight arch. So you're getting your hip flexor and quads of the back leg. Okay. So here, let me just show you. If you're like this, you're not going to feel it. You want to bring the knee over the ankle, the hip down and forward. If you want more, you can go here. Breathe. And down. Good. Switch legs. Switch legs. You with me, Artie? We miss you guys. Okay, so hip down. You can stay here with a little arch in the back if you want. You could reach up, hold it, whatever you're doing, hold it and breathe. Hold it and breathe. Good. This is it, guys. Nice. Good. Good. All right, listen. Hands and knees. Curl the toes. Walk back. Hang forward. Whew. So yes, we did quads and calves with the focus today. Okay. Bend the knees. Roll up. Shake it out. Next time we do it, we're going to hit those hamstrings and a little bit more hips. Guys, awesome job today. Hopefully that helped you loosen up a little bit. Hot shower always feels really, really good after this. Guys, awesome. Thank you so much for joining me. Yes, thumbs up. Yeah. Have a great day, guys. Have a great weekend.